In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NSFW content on Reddit. Before we start, a quick note. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and it usually refers to content that may be explicit, adult-oriented, or otherwise sensitive. By default, Reddit tends to hide this type of content to keep the experience safe and neutral, especially for new users. If you're an adult and you're comfortable viewing that kind of material, you can change a setting in your account to allow it. I'll walk you through that step by step. First, open Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this either in a browser or in the Reddit app. The process is very similar. Once you're on the main Reddit screen, look to the upper right corner. There you'll see your profile icon. It might be a little avatar, your profile picture, or a generic icon if you haven't customized it yet. Click or tap on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, you'll see several options related to your account, like your profile, Reddit coins, and so on. What you're looking for here is the settings option. Go ahead and click or tap on settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various preferences for your account and how Reddit behaves for you. On the settings screen, you'll notice several sections or tabs depending on your device. Look for the section labeled Profile. Select that. This is where you control how your profile appears and how some profile-related content is handled. Once you're in the profile section, scroll until you find the option related to NSFW. It will usually be a toggle or switch that mentions NSFW content. If NSFW content is currently disabled, that toggle will be off. Simply tap or click the toggle to turn it on. You should see it change state, indicating that NSFW content is now enabled for your account. After you've turned that on, Reddit will start allowing NSFW posts to appear, depending on the communities you visit and your feed settings. In some cases, you may also need to confirm you're over 18, so just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled NSFW content on Reddit, and you can always come back to the same profile settings and switch that option off again if you ever change your mind.